Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to remove access on Google Drive. So guys, here I'm going to show you the process to remove access on Google Drive. So let's get started. So guys, to remove access on Google Drive, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. So guys, after that you can see this option, the Google app option. So click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of Drive. So click on Drive. So guys, here you can see a Google Drive. So guys, to remove access, here you can see this option, show search options. So simply click on it. And here you can see this option, share to. So in this option, you have to enter the email address. To mean that email address, which access you want to remove. So simply type in search bar that email address. I'm going to enter here a demo email address. So guys, I have entered here this email address. So after that, simply click on search. So guys, here you can see this is the files that I have shared to this email address. So to remove access, simply select the file. And after that, you can see this shared option here. So click on it. Now guys, here you can see this is the account, the second one that we have searched. So to remove access, here you can see the option of viewer. So click on it. Now in this option, you can see some options: viewer, commenter, editor, transfer ownership, or remove access. So simply click on remove access. Now after that, simply click on save to make change. So click on save. So guys, there you can see access updated. Now also the next one, you can also do this task with multiple files. Simply select the files, press Ctrl and now select with your arrow. After that, again click on this share option. Again click on this viewer option and click on remove access. Now after that, again click on save change. So guys, here you can see written access updated. So means that we have removed access on Google Drive. So guys, here you can see we have removed access on Google Drive. So you can also remove access on Google Drive by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.